That will be better. Now, please read what is
BSBDA.
Hmm.
Under the guidelines issued on August 10, 2012 by RBI, any individual, including poor or those from weaker section of the society, can open zero balance account in any bank. BSBDA guidelines are applicable to all scheduled commercial banks in India, including foreign banks having branches in India.
Hmm.
All the accounts opened earlier as no frills account should be renamed as BSBDA. Banks are required to convert the existing no frills account into basic savings bank deposit accounts.
Hmm.
The basic savings bank deposit account should be considered as a normal banking service available to all customers through branches. The aim of introducing basic savings bank deposit account is very much part of the efforts of RBI for furthering financial inclusion objectives.
Yeah, this is the very important point. In the case of IBPS interview, they will ask you question about what is financial inclusion. Financial inclusion is providing banking and insurance services. In other words, financial services to the poorest of the poor at cheaper rates. So that towards that aim only, that Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was passed, and according to which nil balance accounts were opened. Arunima, please read number 7.
Yes, sir. What is BPS, basic points? BPS is an acronym for basic points, is used to indicate changes in rate of interest and other financial instrument. One basic point is equal to 0.01%. So when we say that repo rate has increased by 25 BPS, it means that the rate has been increased by 0.25%.
Good, continue.
What is KYC? The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has advised banks to follow KYC guidelines wherein certain personal information of the account opening prospect or the customer is obtained. The objective of doing so is to enable the bank to have positive identification of its customers. This is also in the interest of customers to safeguard their hard-earned money. The KYC guidelines of RBI mandate banks to collect 3 proofs from their customers. That is, photograph, proof of identity, proof of address.
Yeah, actually they will take from you normally 2 passport size photograph. One photograph they will retain with them, another one they will affix on your passport. Second, they will ask for proof of identity. That is where this Aadhaar card, any one of the 6 documents such as passport, Aadhaar card, then Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card, then voter ID, then another one is say driving license. One more I am missing. Can anyone remember what is it? What is the 6th item? 6th item I told you about PAN card. Correct. PAN card. Correct. 6th item. But PAN card is used for identity only, but not for address. Whereas other documents such as driving license, passport, then Aadhaar card, they are taken as both proof of identity and proof of address also. Because in PAN card, you will not have address. You will have only the number of PAN card, the photo of the person, then name of the person. That's all will be there. Address will not be there. And PAN card expansion is permanent account number. It is a 10-digit alphanumeric code. Very good. Now continue with question number 9. This is of course not required. Now nobody will ask this question because this was relevant during 2009, 2000, around that time, 15, 16 and all. Now nobody bothers about this. Much more crises have come after that. Now please go to question number 10.
Okay, sir. What is base rate? It is the minimum rate of interest that a bank is allowed to charge from its customers. Unless mandated by the government, RBI rule stipulates that no bank can offer loans at a lower rate than BR to any of its customers. It is effective from July 1, 2010. However, all existing loans, including home loans and car loans, will continue to be at the current rate. Only the new loans taken on or after July 1st and all loans being renewed after this date will be linked to BR.
No, but after that, so many changes have come. Now rates are all linked to what is that? Repo rate. We can see here rbi.org.in, a Reserve Bank of India website. Here you will see policy rates. Repo rate is 6.5, standing deposit facility 6.25, MSF 6.75, bank rate 6.75, fixed reverse repo rate 3.35. Then reserve ratios, CRR is 4.5, SLR is 18%. Then exchange rates means dollar, euro. $1 is equal to Indian rupee 82.95. £1 sterling is equal to 105.09. €1 is equal to 89.61. Next comes base rate. I was referring to this only. Now the base rate is given as 9.10-10.25%. But there are banks offering interest at 8.5 also, for 8.8 or 8.5 for housing loan and all. I don't know why they say it cannot be given base rate. So maybe each bank will have its own rate. That's what. MCLR, it is 8% to 8.60%. Savings bank 2.7 to 3. But Federal Bank is giving 3.05 and Post Office is giving 4%. So like that it goes. Because nowadays the rates are all determined by the Asset and Liability Management Committee of individual banks. Very good. Now we will go for this. Which one are we reading? Where is it? 1 minute. Just a minute for 5 minutes. This is RBI. Not this one, this one, this one, this one. Where were we? Was it here? Mahendra, Acha.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
I have changed it. Now it has come. Good. Now you have to read base rate only. We were reading. Thank you. Thanks for reading. That was Aru Nima. Now who can read this next? Malla Moksda. Malla Moksda, can you read now?
Yes, sir.
Malla Moksda. Yeah. Malla Moksda is from Andhra Pradesh. Correct. Please read 11 to 50. 1 minute. I will switch off and start.